Most students don't use ChatGPT to study. They use it to escape studying. You get stuck on a question, paste it into ChatGPT, get the answer, and move on. It feels productive until the test comes and you realize you never actually learned it. The problem isn't using AI, it's what you're asking it to do. So instead of treating ChatGPT like an answer machine, use it like a study partner. Start with this. Explain this concept like I'm a beginner. Then give me a simple example, but don't solve my homework for me. Now you're using AI to remove confusion without removing the thinking. And if the explanation still doesn't click, don't just reread it. Ask for a different analogy, a simpler explanation, or a real-world example. That matters because sometimes you don't need more information. You just need the same idea presented differently. Now, here's where it gets more useful. Ask ChatGPT to quiz you. Give me 5 questions about this topic. Don't show the answers until I respond. Then answer them yourself. Seriously, don't peek. When you get one wrong, that's not wasted time. That's information. It tells you exactly where your understanding is weak. You can even ask, based on my answers, what do I seem to misunderstand? That's a much better study loop than reading the same page 3 times and hoping something sticks. Here's another one I really like. Explain the concept back to ChatGPT in your own words. Then say, find the gaps in my explanation. Tell me what I'm missing, but don't rewrite it for me. Think about what that does. You're no longer asking AI to think instead of you. You're asking it to challenge your thinking. And that distinction is huge. If you're writing an essay, the same rule applies. Use AI to brainstorm questions, test your argument, clarify a difficult source, or point out weaknesses in your reasoning. But your ideas, writing, and final submission should still be yours. And always follow your school's rules for AI use. One more thing. Use ChatGPT to make practice material from what you're actually studying. Paste in your notes and ask for a short quiz, flashcard-style questions, or a mock test. Then put the AI away and see what you can remember without help. You can also ask it to act like a skeptical teacher. Ask me follow-up questions until you find something I can't explain clearly. That can reveal a gap you might have completely missed on your own. The best study session still ends with you thinking on your own. That's the real goal, not getting through your homework faster. Being able to close the laptop and still know what you learned. So the next time you open ChatGPT, don't ask, "Can you do this for me?" Ask, "Can you help me understand this?" Because AI becomes much more useful when it doesn't replace the work, it helps you do better work yourself. And honestly, that's the skill worth keeping.